Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to step up your welding game in 2026, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best welders available on Amazon right now. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, we've got options that cater to every need. From portable machines for on-the-go jobs to powerful multi-process units, we'll cover the features, strengths, and even a few drawbacks of each product. So let's get started and find the perfect welder for you. ARCCAPTAIN Portable Electric Welding Machine, 110 volts. Portable welder handheld with IGBT inverter. 5 variable current adjustment ARC welder gun. Fits for 3 32nd inch. Wire rods, grey. This ARCCAPTAIN portable electric welding machine is a fantastic choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts who need a compact and reliable welder. With its IGBT inverter technology and 5 variable current adjustments, it allows for precise control during your welding tasks. Weighing in at just a few pounds, this handheld unit is perfect for those who need to move around while working, whether it's for small repairs or crafting projects. One standout feature is its ability to use 3 32nd inch wire rods, which makes it versatile for different types of jobs. However, while this welder is great for light to medium tasks, it may struggle with heavier welding projects, so keep that in mind if you're looking for something more robust. ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder, 200 amps 6-in-1 gas, MIG/gasless flux core MIG/stick/lift, TIG/spot welding/spool gun, 110 volts/220 volts, aluminum multi-process welding machine with LED digital display, burn-back adjustment. Next up is the ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder, a powerhouse that truly shines for both beginners and seasoned welders alike. This 6-in-1 machine offers immense versatility, allowing you to choose between gas MIG, gasless flux core, stick welding, lift TIG, spot welding, and even a spool gun option. With a maximum output of 200 amps and an LED digital display, you'll have fine-tuned control over your welding settings. A practical feature is the burn-back adjustment, which helps in achieving tidy welds. This welder is ideal for working with aluminum and various other materials, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from automotive repairs to home projects. However, due to its multiple functionalities, it might take some time to master all the settings for optimal performance. YESWELDER 160 ampere MIG welder, 110 volts/220 volts. Dual voltage, 4-in-1 gas, MIG/flux core, MIG/lift, TIG/stick, multi-process, large LED digital display, MIG welding machine. At number 3, we have the YESWELDER 160 amp MIG welder, an excellent option for those who want a reliable multi-process welding machine without breaking the bank. With dual voltage support of both 110 volts and 220 volts, this welder adapts to your power supply effortlessly. It supports gas MIG, flux core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding processes, making it adaptable for various welding tasks. The large LED digital display is user-friendly, providing clear visibility of settings and performance indicators. This welder is particularly well-suited for small to medium welding jobs, such as automotive and household repairs. However, while it's powerful for its size, its output might not be sufficient for heavier-duty industrial applications, which could be a limitation depending on your specific needs. Hpoouo 200 amps 20 pieces rods, stick welder super mini, portable welding machine, IGBT inverter, welder machine, 110 volts with hot start, arc force, anti-stick for 1/16 to 1/8 inch, rod arc welder, 2 chip hammers, red. Ranking second is the Hpoouo 200 amp stick welder, a compact yet powerful tool that excels in portability and ease of use. This mini welder features IGBT inverter technology, ensuring stable arc performance and less spatter. It comes with a hot start function that simplifies the strike of the arc, along with arc force control and anti-stick capabilities for smoother operation. Ideal for beginners and those who need to perform light to medium welding tasks, this machine is perfect for home repairs, metal art projects, projects, and more. The inclusion of 20 welding rods and chip hammers adds great value, However, its compact design may limit its capability for prolonged heavy-duty use, making it better suited for lighter applications. Yes, Welder 135 amp MIG welder 110 volts flux core MIG/lift TIG/stick 3-in-1 large LED digital display welding machine IGBT inverter welder. Finally, we have the YESWELDER 135 amp MIG welder taking the top spot. This 3-in-1 machine is designed for ultimate versatility, allowing users to switch between flux core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding with ease. It features a powerful IGBT inverter that ensures consistent and stable performance across various welding tasks. The large LED digital display provides easy access to settings, making it user-friendly for both novices and experienced welders. With sufficient power for a variety of applications, from household repairs to auto bodywork, it's a reliable choice for many. However, its performance might not meet the needs of industrial-grade welding, so it's crucial to measure your requirements before choosing this unit. Thanks for tuning in to our roundup of the top 5 best welders for 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect welder to suit your needs. Remember, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, choosing the right welder can make all the difference in your projects. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to grab your favorite model. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content on tools and equipment. See you in the next video.